Welcome to our roundup of the best angle grinders of 2026. Powerful, versatile tools designed for cutting, grinding, polishing, and metalworking tasks across home workshops, garages, and professional job sites. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast tackling weekend projects or a professional trade person who needs reliable performance every day, choosing the right angle grinder can make your work faster, safer, and more precise. In this guide, we've carefully selected angle grinders known for strong motor performance, durability, safety features, and overall value. We'll break down key factors such as power output, speed, ergonomics, corded versus cordless convenience, and ideal use cases, so you can confidently choose the best angle grinder for your needs. Be sure to check the description below for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Starting off with the Albin cordless angle grinder. This model is an excellent choice for users who value portability and freedom of movement. Powered by a rechargeable battery, this cordless grinder eliminates the hassle of cords, making it ideal for outdoor work, remote job sites, or quick projects around the house. It delivers solid grinding and cutting performance for tasks like metal trimming, rust removal, tile cutting, and light fabrication work. The compact and lightweight design helps reduce fatigue during extended use, while the ergonomic handle provides a secure and comfortable grip. Users appreciate the convenience of cordless operation and easy handling, though battery runtime may be limited for heavy continuous tasks. For DIY users and homeowners who want flexibility without sacrificing performance, this is a practical and user-friendly option. Moving on to the Schall 12,000 revolutions per minute angle grinder. This model stands out for its high-speed performance and excellent control. With a powerful motor capable of reaching up to 12,000 revolutions per minute, it's well suited for cutting metal, grinding welds, smoothing surfaces, and sharpening tools. The grinder features a slim body design that allows for better control and precision, especially when working in tight spaces. Its side handle improves stability and helps reduce vibration, making it more comfortable to use for longer sessions. Users often praise its strong cutting power and smooth operation at an affordable price point. While it may not have the premium build of professional-grade models, it delivers impressive performance for home workshops and light professional use. Next up is the Makita XAG04Z18V angle grinder, a high-quality cordless option designed for professionals and serious DIYers. Built with Makita's trusted engineering, this grinder features a brushless motor that delivers efficient power, longer runtime, and extended tool life. It's capable of handling demanding applications such as cutting thick metal, grinding concrete, and heavy surface preparation. The automatic speed change technology adjusts torque and speed based on the task, ensuring optimal performance without manual adjustments. Users appreciate its smooth operation, excellent balance, and reduced vibration, which help minimize fatigue during extended use. While it's sold as a bare tool and requires a compatible battery, its durability and performance make it a top choice for users already invested in the Makita 18V ecosystem. Stepping into professional-grade reliability, the DeWalt 4.5-inch angle grinder is a trusted tool for contractors, metalworkers, and serious DIY enthusiasts. Known for its rugged construction and consistent performance, this corded grinder delivers steady power for cutting, grinding, and polishing tasks without worrying about battery life. The compact 4.5-inch size makes it easy to maneuver, while the high-performance motor provides strong torque for tough materials like steel, rebar, and concrete. Safety features such as a protective guard and a secure side handle enhance user control and confidence during operation. Users frequently highlight its durability, strong cutting ability, and dependable performance on job sites. Although it's corded, the consistent power output makes it a reliable workhorse for heavy-duty applications. Taking the top spot is the Avid Power 7.5 amp angle grinder, which offers an outstanding balance of power, control, and value. Equipped with a robust 7.5 amp motor, this grinder delivers ample power for a wide range of tasks, including cutting metal pipes, grinding welds, removing rust, and polishing surfaces. Its ergonomic design features a comfortable grip and adjustable side handle, allowing users to maintain control and reduce hand fatigue during longer projects. The tool-free guard adjustment adds convenience, making it quick and easy to adapt to different tasks. Users praise its smooth performance, reliable power delivery, and excellent value for money. Whether you're a homeowner tackling regular projects or a professional needing a dependable everyday grinder, this model stands out as a versatile and cost-effective choice. All of these angle grinders are designed to meet different needs and skill levels. The Albin cordless angle grinder is perfect for users who want portability and convenience, while the Shal 12,000 revolutions per minute angle grinder delivers high-speed performance for precise cutting and grinding. The Makita XAG04Z 18V angle grinder offers premium cordless power and advanced features for demanding tasks, and the DeWalt 4.5-inch angle grinder provides professional-grade reliability with consistent corded power. At the top, the Avid Power 7.5-amp angle grinder delivers the best overall balance of performance, comfort, and value, making it our top pick for most users. That wraps up our list of the best angle grinders of 2026. From portable cordless models to powerful corded workhorses built for serious jobs. No matter your skill level or project type, there's an angle grinder here that can help you work faster, safer, and more efficiently. Let us know in the comments which angle grinder you'd choose, or if you already use one of these models. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tool reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest deals and grab the best angle grinder for your workshop today. Happy grinding!